Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Q15 Smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, based on the description, it is a sports health data monitoring. Okay, so it is equipped with several health monitoring functions. So let's check it out. Okay, so we have here, okay, a heart rate monitoring. We also have a blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring. So we are going to test it and compare it with our medical grade device here, the Omron medical grade device. We are also going to compare the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitoring with our Apple Watch. So let's see if we do have a good results for the Q15 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below. Okay, we are now ready, so let's check out the health monitoring function of the smartwatch. So let's try first the heart rate monitoring. Again, it also has a blood pressure and blood oxygen monitor. So let's check. So it's now checking. So we have here 71, 68. So we'll see. We have 68 beats per minute. Okay, we have the blood pressure. We'll see it also. Again, remember 68 beats per minute. Okay, to have an accurate result, we'll have a simultaneous monitoring, 107/77, and we have, let's see, the blood oxygen 98%. Okay, so let's check with our Omron medical grade device here. Okay, so I'm going to wear this one. I'm going to set it up, and let's have a simultaneous monitoring after. Okay, so I already set it up. So let's see if we can have a close result to the smartwatch. Okay, the heart rate, let's check. Let's start. Again, we are monitoring our heart rate first. So we have 92 here. Again, our heart rate is around 92 beats per minute. We still don't have the result here for the blood pressure here and our Omron. 92, and for the blood pressure we have 118/73. Here is 113/84. Okay, it's a almost 10 plus 10. Okay, when it comes to the result, let's see how about like this. Let me wear this properly. Let's have another one. Okay, so we have for the heart rate here, again we have 85. Remember our heart rate, it's 85. (109/74). 85, and let's see with this one. 85. Again, for our blood pressure, what's our last record? I forgot the last record here. We'll see. 115/70. So plus 10 for the diastolic. Okay, it's 79. For the heart rate, again, it is expected that there should be some difference, okay, or different result, but it should be not too far. So this one's almost 10 points. Okay, so seems like there's an issue with the health monitoring here. Okay, anyway, let's have another test. Okay, I have here the Apple Watch. Okay, so let's test. Okay, let's check the heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. Where's the heart rate? Okay, we have here the heart rate. So continuous monitoring for the Apple Watch here, but we'll see if we still have a much closer result. Okay, we can see the range here. So we have 90 beats per minute. Okay, for the blood oxygen, so I guess it's just around something 80 to 85. Okay, even if we base also the result on our Omron, still it's around 80 to 85. Okay, so this one, the smartwatch, the Q15 is off by 5 to 10 points. Okay, so let's have the blood oxygen. So let's see. So we have 95%. So 92%, just a minor difference. Okay, for the heart rate again, let's have the heart rate. '84, the first result. As you can see here, 77, 78, so at least 5 to 10 points is the difference. Okay, when it comes to the heart rate, the same with our blood pressure monitoring. So I guess the sensor for this one is not that good. Okay, I don't know. So it's up to you to decide. Okay, so that's it for our Q15 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.